Hey, bird lovers. Ever wondered how happy birds really are? Let's find out. Birds are naturally joyful creatures. Their songs, bright colors, and playful behavior are all signs of their happiness. Birds sing to communicate, find mates, and show their territory. That cheerful chirping? It's their way of saying, I'm happy and thriving. They also enjoy the simple things, a bath in a bird bath, fluttering their wings, and hopping around. These activities keep them stimulated and content. And guess what? When they're well fed and have a safe place to call home, their happiness soars even higher. So next time you see a bird, remember, their joy is in the little things, and they're sharing their happiness with us. If you enjoyed this birdie bliss, hit that like button and subscribe for more feathered fun. See you soon.